So welcome to today's this live session. Basically, I'm going to discuss about how exactly you can get consistent sale through your online webinars. Okay, I'm going to share I'm going to share basically my experience. आप exactly online sales कैसे ले सकते हो consistently? How you can achieve that by doing live webinars. Okay, so I'm going to share my experience. Basically there are some nuts and bolts. I will be sharing my experience. So how many of you would like to get get consistent sales through webinar, sitting at your home and running your business virtually completely in your business and get new clients, new customer, new students online? So there is a formula, because let me tell you because why that is important. When I got started, I was not having that proven formula. My first 10 webinars, no sale. First 10 webinar, no sale. But now last 10 webinar, consistent sale. Okay, last 10 webinar, more than 10 webinar, consistent sale I'm getting. So there is some psychology, there is some formula to get new sale consistently. Okay, hi everyone, just say hi in the comment box. I'm going to share my experience. If you are excited, if you want to learn, share your comments below. In case आपको सीखना है या आपको समझना है कि कैसे वेबिनार से सेल लेते हैं, what is the formula? So let me tell you, my friend, first thing, why I was not getting sale. Because let me tell you the truth here. When I started, I was not getting sales. First thing, I was not believing in my concept. I was not having clarity on my concept. What exactly I'm trying to sell or what exactly I'm going to offer. I was not having clarity. Hi Sandeep, thanks for the joining. Awesome. The first thing, you need to believe in what exactly you are to, you need to convince yourself what exactly you are trying to sell. ये बहुत important. What exactly you are trying to sell? Do you think that वो लोगों के जीवन में, लोगों के बिजनेस में कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वैल्यू ला सकता है कि नहीं है? आप खुद कन्विंस हो तब जाके वो सेल बनेगा. और मेरे साथ वैसे ही हो रहा था. But after that, after doing some trial and learning phase, I realized that, and I also practiced those principles, practiced those business automation strategies and all the things, and I started giving some values from my bottom upward. Second part, do not fake. Because sometimes what happens, we try to speak from the head. Because when you start speaking from bottom of your heart, जब आप दिल से बात करना चालू करेंगे वेबिनार पे, people start connecting. Do you believe? If you believe, just type in comment box, because that exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm getting consistent sales for my program, Business Automation Mastery Challenge. Reason is that I found my unique positioning. Beside that, whatever I'm sharing, that is the value driven. And I'm speaking from my bottom of heart based on my results. And that's how exactly people are joining my program, joining my coaching system. I'm getting consulting clients regularly because I'm believing in myself, because it's come naturally. Third point is, whenever you are planning to do webinar, please focus on rebuilding and killing negative beliefs of people. वेबिनार के अंदर 3 सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला होता है नॉर्मली. आई लर्न फ्रॉम रसेल ब्रांसन, अदर मेंटर सिद्धार्थ. ओके, आई लर्न दैट फॉर्मूला. उसका एक ही इंटेंशन होता है. हाय हेमल, थैंक्स फॉर द जॉइनिंग. ओके, यू जॉइनिंग फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश. ऑसम बांग्लादेश. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला टू गेटिंग सेल्स? So basically there is 3 secret formula. In this sales webinar, don't try to teach people too much. We have to rebuild their belief system so that people can take decision. So by adding value, you can add some value, basically 1 secret, 2 secret. In my case, what I add, basically how to 7-step formula for digital business growth. Then second formula I share like value ladder. I share my blueprint. So basically you need to share formula. Beside that, you need to rebuild their बिलीफ सिस्टम. लोगों का बिलीफ सिस्टम ब्रेक करना होता है. टेक्निकल नॉलेज की कमी नहीं है. यूट्यूब पे, इंटरनेट में सब नॉलेज अवेलेबल है. बट यू नीड टू गिव फॉर्मूला सो दैट पीपल विल कनेक्ट विथ यू. सो यू हैव टू क्रिएट द प्रूवन फॉर्मूला सीक्रेट सो दैट पीपल यू कैन बिल्ड देयर basically their inner fear, outsider fear or technical fear. When you do that, people start connecting. Beside that, let me tell you here, the fourth point of getting sales. Be natural on webinar. Go natural. Just like now, whenever I start, I don't care about sale. What I do, I go just like play. Webinar in the sense for me now, right now, it's becoming play. How to go and play. Hi Sandeep. Rishabh, thanks for the joining. So now webinar is the game for me. Like whenever I go on webinar, it's like just like go and play naturally. Don't think too much about sales, whether I will get sale or not. Whenever I think that, oh boss, I need to get some sales, that doesn't work. So I go play, just value. I add a lot of value, and by end of that, people who connect with me, they want to work with me. Okay. Fourth point. Also, I'll give you my fifth point. If you are someone, if you are just starting, okay, if you are a digital coach, expert, anyone you are doing, if you are just getting started, I can request you, try to helping people by giving you 30-minute, 20-minute one-to-one call, so that people need personal help. What will be happening in the 30-minute call? First of all, if you are completely new, you will understand their actual struggling area, actual paining area of your customer. What is their barrier? What is their barrier that is holding back them? So you can make a lot of notes. Hi Rishabh, thanks for the joining. You can start giving one-to-one calls initially. Okay, so that you will be getting a lot. I have done more than 100 one-to-one with my consulting clients, my one-to-one clients, and that's exactly helping me to get actual real problem from the market, and I'm trying to solve that in my webinar, in my coaching systems. And fifth to get sale in webinar. So another thing is that fifth point, you can at least give 10 time value. What I mean to 10 time value? If you are selling product for 2,999 or 4,999, please just can you do that? 10 time value in the sense actual program, not only kachra. Like if you want to just do it for the sake of or bonus, no, give some real value. Right now, initially I was doing 3-day program, only 12 videos. No, what I have done, I have changed my method a little bit. I'm giving intensive program, at least 15 to 20 videos with proper value added, 4 to 5 bonuses. Right now, I'm giving my business automation mastery challenge I'm having right now. I'm giving Facebook secrets, video marketing, like that. So actual content so that people get real value. Apart from that, 6 point, you can offer them weekly live coaching call with you, okay, where they can ask any question, connect with you. People like to connect because nowadays digital coaching industry is growing. Yeah, everyone know that, e-learning industry, but we need to increase standards, right? Standard of giving value, standard of solving the problem, and also be consistent in there. So these are some 4 to 5, 6 points which is helping me to get some result. Beside that, let me tell you some invisible steps. You know, how do you nurture your lead? Before webinar, a lot of the people make decision before coming into webinar. How do you nurture your leads? How do you send them email, value, SMS? What I am doing right now, I am sharing my success stories, giving some how-to nuggets, some golden nugget, consistent nurturing. What is I am doing right now? Nurturing part. Because I know some of you might be watching this live session, you will join my webinar, you will come into my webinar, and if you get value, if you see value there, you will be joining my masterclass, right? Do you believe that? If you are watching this live, just say in the comment box, hi. We need to be consistent. And I believe one of the sentence from Gary Vee, he was saying, getting attention is very important. Getting attention is very important from people. So how do you get attention? You have to keep value nurturing and adding them. Okay. So these are some 4 to 5 points I shared with you. Okay. Be authentic on the camera, natural, add a lot of value, and then second part, how bundle properly, and think about there is a consistency in your messaging, consistency on what exactly you are talking and what is your product you are trying to sell. You need to have consistency what you are doing. Okay, that is the important part. Go natural, do it. I hope this is my personal experience I shared with you. First 10 webinar, no sell. Next 10 webinar, consistent sales. So what does that mean? There are some pointers, some psychology that is helping me. Okay, in case if you think that this is the value added, please share your comment below. Let me know what exactly you want to learn. In case you want to learn from me, I will be pasting my link to my upcoming webinar. Connect with me, join my group. I will be adding a lot of value and sharing those products. Okay, and I forgot to tell you one thing here. See, you have to just don't be another coach. Just don't be another expert. Bring some uniqueness. Bring some unique flavor. Content can be same, but be consistent. Bring your own flavor. Okay, own flavor. When you do that one flavor, people start connecting. And most of the thing is that you will start believing in yourself, right? So that exactly I'm doing right now. I'm helping a lot of people, hundreds of students, my clients, to get breakthrough in this tough time also. And you know, good news is that once since this COVID started, my income has doubled. My tribe size has doubled because I took it seriously. Before I was doing offline agency business, little bit consulting, but I realized the potential. I started webinars, I created context, and most importantly, I started adding values. So if you start doing that, you can also do that. If you are someone in working professional, you want to get started, learn something. If you are a trainer, coach, consultant, still you can take your game to next level. And even though if you are someone there, already trainer, coach, consultant, and if you are not getting results, please check some pointers. Are you adding value? Are you targeting right people on the Facebook? Are you nurturing them? Take some those pointers and you will start seeing the result in your business. I hope this today's session was value added. What do you think about this? In case you want to learn more, in case you have any questions, send me a message on Messenger. I would love to reply back to you. All right, so that's it for this today's live sessions. Yeah. Awesome, my friend. If you want to learn, if you are getting values, let's meet live in upcoming webinar. Let's connect on my Facebook group. Let's connect on my Telegram group, and let's do some amazing things. If you want to learn something practical, if you need my handholding support, some insider update without waiting for 3 months, 6 months, then I invite you, my friend. Okay, all right. Signing off for today. Thank you for watching these sessions. I hope this was value added. Please share top 3 learnings from this live session. What did you learn? What did you learn? Share your top 3 learnings below in this comment box, and I will personally reply to you. All right. Thank you very much. Signing off for today. Let's meet. Stay home, stay safe, and take massive action. All right. Thank you very much, Rishabh, Dinesh, everyone. All right. Signing off for today. See you in the next live session.